Hey guys, welcome to my Voyages channel, and today my brother said I can use his account, and look, I got this because I traded some of his I traded his I traded this because this one's ugly. This one's cool. It's a three-headed dog. Anyways, I'm finding offers now for this dog. Hey! Oh, wait, I didn't mean that. BRB guy. Yeah, I changed name. Oh yeah. Tell me, is this what you're looking for, Alpha? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? What you want? Is this what you want? Oh, never mind. Oh, a right pot. I can make some of my... Oh, Wolverine! I can make my Wolverine pie. I mean, a bunch of Wolverine. And we should just keep this. Oh, an ancient dragon. Anyways, I'm gonna take it off of my brother's pet. And, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. I'm scared. OMG, that's my Korea's white Amazon. Oh my gosh, my Korea's white Amazon. Korea means brother in Philippines, though. Anyways, my dream. 9 minutes left. I don't even know if he has that. Anyways, everyone, my brother's dream house is the mountain house. The one over has 60 castles. But he likes to get the royal castle, I guess. Listen. Ew! Yeah, hot or ugly. What do you want? Offer. It's not for free, stupid woman. Woman, you're not stupid. Ew, a stingray. Wait, I need to get the water pet because I did. My brother just logged into this. Yos. No. 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 I am free tonight. I need an imagination. Perfect as you look. Perfect tonight. Don't ask what I'm singing. But me and my brother has the same voice. I can even copy his voice. Hi guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber, Kurt. Never mind. Yeah, I can copy his voice. So I can be him every time. And please don't forget to press the sub button and like. So I could give this Neon. Yeah, and I'm gonna put my username the thing. I'm gonna put my brother's username in the whatever. And then comment that you say I'm the new subscriber. Hi, I'm the new subscriber. I'm the new subscriber. My usual is blah 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 blah. Just like that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my brother's dream house. Okay, so get up, crazy dog! I don't want to throw a party. Not the ruler's castle or the mountain house. He wants that. Royal Palace, that's what he wants. Okay, so yeah. my but always hungry. OMG! The house, enemies. Yeah, I'm gonna trade away my servers. I'm gonna trade his servers away. And yeah, I'm gonna check. Offers anyone who have offer for my server. Cerberus, I think this is how you spell it. Cerberus, yeah. Offer anyone who have offer for my Cerberus. Cerberus. Yeah, but offered by Cerberus. Oh my gosh, my Cerberus is hungry. I do know if my brother has food. I don't want to go upstairs now. I'm gonna sing my brother. I'm gonna sing using my brother's voice. My brother's a good singer, okay? So you wanna play with magic? Oh, but you should know what you're hurting for. Maybe do you dare to do this? I don't know the door. I don't know the lyrics yet, but I know this. Ground your tears, yeah, little white lies. I create them, but I always knew. You talked to her, maybe did even worse. I kept quiet so I could keep you. It's funny. It's just a dream, so the questions you used to avoid. You betrayed me. Wait, no one's coming. Bruh, no one. Oh, a people. Gonna go to arms and white lines. Huh? No, come back, Rose. Bruh, someone left my party. Someone let me party. Rose, I'll trade you. No! Actually, do you know Rose from Blackpink? I have Blackpink Oreo card and Luma cards. I have Luma cards and Blackpink cards and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna leave. Wait, is this? Oh, 2 more minutes. I'm gonna do a countdown at 10 seconds. I'm gonna do a countdown at 10 seconds. I've been playing for ages now. I wanna sleep. But how many? Oh, fuck. You didn't hear me swear. I don't swear. Okay, oh no, my brother's here. I'm so sorry, brother. What are you sorrying about? I traded your white Amazon and your for Water Moon Bear. What? You did what? No. You know I'm gonna make a neon. What? Well, what did they give you, huh? Okay. I'll show you this. A Cerberus, a Wyvern, and a Triceratops. Yes, I'm sorry, brother. It's okay, fine. Anyways, what are you doing? I'm just waiting for the countdown and then I'll stop the video. Oh, and I said whoever is your new subscriber will have a free neon butterfly. I'm just gonna give my name in the comments or in the thingy. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I just word it. Yeah, fine, word it. Oh, fine. Oh, that's weird. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't remember to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and enjoy. Bye.